Building websites is fun, but making them responsive? Debugging on phones? Ugh, that can be a real headache. But don't worry, here's the solution. React UI Frame. First, go to the official documentation. Step 1, copy the npm install command and install it in your project. Next, run your project server. For example, let's say your project is running on port 9002. Now, open a new terminal and type npx UI frame. Start -p9002. Here, the -p simply tells UI frame which port your project is running on. And boom! Your project loads inside UI frame. Now you can switch devices, change the viewport, and debug your responsiveness in real time. React UI frame.